Well, hello. My brother's gonna meet us at Big Chicken Town in Kukulam. That's like the halfway point for both of us.
Oh, okay.
Around there. I like your dork pack.
Yeah. My dork pack? Wait, what?
Oh, guys, take a look. Both of the babies side by side. They look so good together. My little pumpkins. So today's video is going to be a fun little group ride that I have here going on with Alice, and we're also going to be meeting up with my brother. It'll be the first time formally that he'll be introduced on the channel. He's been in my videos before, but kind of just like, how do I describe this? Like a background character in TV shows and film. So I guess I wouldn't be surprised at all if you haven't noticed him before. But yeah, you'll meet him today. He's got an awesome gold wrapped ZX6R that he wrapped himself. It's going to be a fun ride. I'm forcing Alice to go on the Z125 today. Her Ninja 300 isn't insured quite yet because it's too cold for her to ride. But you know what? I was like, Alice, get on the little bike. We're going to go for a ride. And she was nice enough to come in her little Celica over here.
Man, I haven't ridden it so long.
Don't worry, you'll get used to it right away. It's like riding a bicycle. I think the last time you rode it was on this bike too.
Yeah, but it's been a while. Okay, brain fart. Think.
Come on, Alice.
Okay, stop. Okay.
You're missing one thing here.
Okay, my kickstand's up.
Come on, Alice. There you go. You got it.
Oh my goodness. Ah!
Are you gonna be good?
I don't know. New gloves and I haven't ridden in a while and everything feels weird.
Give me a couple sounds on the horn.
Oh my god.
Dude, you're scaring me. You're gonna crash my bike.
No, I won't. Just trying to get used to it.
Hello. I don't know what he's saying, but
I don't know.
he says something. Oh, hello.
Give us a thumbs up.
I think that thumbs up was more for you than for me anyways.
Was it? I don't think so.
Probably. He's like, oh, it's a girl rider. Wow, look at that bike kitted out in TST Industries.
It only has 348 kilometers on here.
That's the trip.
Oh. It didn't cost like $5 or something just to fill it up last time?
That bike? Yeah, but I think gas prices are higher than the last time we gassed it up, so I think it's going to be like $6. $7?
What's the max speed on this thing?
With your body weight, probably 115.
Oh, okay.
Not on the uphill though. It has to be flat at least. It'll probably hit 120-ish, a little bit more if you're on a downhill. Hey, so just a heads up, on that bike, turbulence is pretty big.
Yeah.
So just be aware of that, okay? Left side here. Left side.
Okay.
Make sure you stay left on the fork, okay?
Okay.
No, left side. I said left side.
I thought you meant left side of this lane.
What? I said left of the fork.
I know, but that's what I thought you meant.
I forgot that left means right.
No!
Oh yeah, there she is. Hey, how long have you been waiting?
3 minutes.
Not bad.
Hey, how are you?
How'd it feel to be on a bike?
It was a rough start. I was like this. Shaky. It's like I forgot how to turn the bike on.
That's adorable, Alice. Pushing your little bike. I don't know if you watched a couple videos ago. I was kind of recording in your driveway.
My friend showed me actually.
So I recorded in your driveway. I was like, yeah, this is my brother's gold ZX6R. This is his M4. I was like, oh yeah, you didn't reveal it yet, but I'll just do it anyways.
Yeah.
And then the funny thing was, I got a comment on that video. I don't know if it's your friend, okay, but I forgot exactly what it said, but it went along the lines of like, oh, it's a gold ZX6R. Is that Shundell?
No way.
Yeah, so somebody recognized you.
Oh, what the hell? I don't know. I'm gonna say it's a friend first trying to troll, but my buddy was like, hey, I didn't know you moved. I'm like, what? Oh, Jesse told you. He's like, no, and then I'm like, what is it? And then he sends me a screenshot of your video. I'm like, what the hell is this? and I watched it and I was like, ah. Yeah, you showed up like out of nowhere that day.
Yeah, I was like, I need to get a video out, so I may as well do it. And then I had people commenting, they're like, hey, to do a video with your brother. So yeah, guys, this is my brother. His name is Sean. Rides a gold ZX6R. What year is that?
2014. There's actually a couple choices I had at the time when I bought this one. This was one of the older ones. This generation runs from 2013 to 2018.
Yeah.
And I wanted this generation, so I chose between pretty much the colors. I found this one, it came in burnt orange.
Oh yeah, right, it was orange before.
Yeah. And then, I don't know, the other ones were like white, all white, or like black, and I don't know, even though I was gonna wrap it no matter what. But I want to know that even though I take off the wrap, I still have a nice color to fall back to.
Yeah, I thought the burnt orange was really nice. How many hours did it take you to wrap that?
This one was a little shorter. Normally it takes me 20 hours to wrap my whole bike. This one had less bangs to wrap, so it was like 16 hours. I saw your story, because you did a boomerang, I think, on Instagram.
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
I had to get new tires for my bike.
Oh, was it really old?
Oh, really old,
Super old, like embarrassingly old.
But the tread was still okay.
I can imagine the mechanics were like making fun of me, probably.
Okay, listen, so her bike is a 2013 Ninja 300.
Okay.
And her tires are the stock tires.
Oh, wow.
So they've been on there for 8 years now.
Are you the first owner?
No, I'm the second owner.
Well, here's the sad backstory behind Alice's Ninja 300. The guy who owned it before, he's dead now.
Oh, wait. So, was this like an estate sale kind of thing?
He got diagnosed with cancer and passed away. And I ended up buying the bike off of the family. It was really sad. Like, she was crying and, please take care of the bike and come ride by anytime. It's the wife that had emotional attachment to the bike, but she didn't want the bike anymore, right? It's like,
dude, we should go visit so she can see the bike again. I think that'd be really, really touching for her.
Maybe, but maybe that chapter is closed already.
But she offered. She was like, ride by any time.
I guess. Yeah, I guess I could like ring the doorbell and. Yeah. It was in Tawasin when I bought the bike.
Oh, see, that's a good ride.
That is a good ride. I was thinking that
too. You guys can all come. Like, these are my friends. I want to say hi.
Sad story though.
I know, now it's like, I don't think I ever want to sell the bike now. It has a story to it and I feel really bad.
You can't ever sell the bike.
I'll start in 2016, so that was like a year after me. What about you, Kuya?
March 2018 is when I started riding. Man, you started riding before me too.
Yeah, she's been riding longer than you, but she's on a 300 still. The downsides of being a little person.
Oh, is that the limitation? The little person aspect?
I'd say that's a pretty big one. There's a learning curve for shorter riders, right? Alice, you got the heated grips on, right?
Yeah.
Is it helping a little bit?
It is, but my fingers are still cold. Oh, is it raining?
Oh, yeah, I feel it a little bit.
Oh, man. Yeah, it's raining.
Oh, man. It is kind of raining. You're right. Yikes. If we get caught in the rain, that's going to be interesting.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
I actually wouldn't mind it.
Why does it look very different than last time?
Whoa, what's this?
I feel like they made this new area here.
Yeah, I don't think they had this before.
Oh, it looks closed.
Wait, we can't drive in there now?
Yeah, maybe not, but we technically can.
Do it. Wow. You going 45?
Yeah.
Okay. Alice, look at me. Peace sign.
Yes, that's a slow-mo stuff.
That's a slow-mo. I was like...
Oh, God. I haven't ridden in the rain in a very long time.
This will be fun. Holy crap, this kid's still going. Ooh, this feels nice. Your steering is still definitely a lot more looser than mine.
Yeah, I can feel it right now.
My phone's like all wet.
Yeah, mine too.
Is that a train coming? It is.
It is.
Well, good thing we're leaving now.
Oh, yeah.
Here, you guys go ahead. Yeah, so we swapping bikes. 600 would be pretty good too if I decided to downgrade. Oh, it's raining hard.
Raining.
Yeah.
Sorry, Alice.
God, you're going really fast.
Oh, am I?
My bike's at 90 max up the hill. It's okay, you can keep going. You forgot.
That's alright, I'm in the back here. This is a nice cockpit.
Yeah.
I like this.
Can we turn left into the gas station or no?
No, there's an island all the way through. So if you want, make a UE.
I don't know if I'm good at a UE on this one right now. I'll try a UE.
Alright, UE, Alice.
Oh.
Actually, the UE is so much easier on this. I had no resistance at all. Yeah, we gassed up already, so I'll put your bike over here. Damn, Alice, slow down!
100!
You can do like 110 on that, especially with your weight. I feel like you can go even higher.
She could. Ready, Alice? We're gonna do a little drag here, okay?
Okay.
I'm not actually gonna do the drag, but I'm just gonna watch her go.
Okay, go.
Go, Alice, go!
I redlined it.
Oh wow, that's pretty good. Oh, that's good enough, honestly.
Oh, fuck. I did.
She stalled. And your signal's on, Alice.
Oh my god.
You know how to ride there, bro?
Oh, that's so embarrassing.
It's alright. It happens. We all make mistakes.
Maxed out at 104. 105.
But are you tucking though?
Yeah, you gotta tuck in. You'll get a couple more extra kilometers there.
Oh yeah, it's working.
Go lower. Lower.
7.
Oh,
Lower. There you go.
It's at 107.
That's the science. Aerodynamics.
I'll see you guys in a bit.
Okay, see you in a bit. Ride safe.
Alright, yeah.
It's like the Fast and Furious movie.
I'll see you there too.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
I think we're gonna see each other again for a little bit. There we go.
There you go.
It's like saying bye and then walking in the same direction.
This is my stop right here.
Yeah.
Good seeing you.
Bye for real, man. Yeah, for sure.
All right,
peace.
Are you in the garage too?
Yeah, I parked in the garage. You parked in the garage?
Yeah, I parked in the garage.
All right, we go to the garage.
That's
Right.
silly, man.
Okay, this is where we split off for real. Guys, see ya.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Alrighty guys, so we are at the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it so far. Of course, it was really nice seeing Alice back on a bike after 4 months. You had a lot of fun, right? On my Z125?
Yeah. It was cold but fun. Aside from the rain.
Yeah,
Rained a
that kind
little
of
bit.
sucked, that flash
Yeah.
rain. And also having my brother formally introduced to the channel. He actually has a YouTube channel as well. His YouTube channel name is Shundell. So if you guys want to go subscribe to him, leave a comment on his most recent video. He hasn't uploaded in a long time. Tell him to make another video. Be like, hey, Stan said make another video. It's going to be linked down in the description below, as well as Alice's Instagram. So if you guys want to queue up on her follower requests, because she's not currently public on Instagram, then you can go follow her. And maybe one day she'll be public and you'll be able to see her sweet, sweet content. Right, Alice?
We'll see. I'll think about it.
But yeah, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Alice, you got anything to say?
Nope. Nothing.
Wow. Very titillating. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this one. And of course, I will see you in the next video. Peace!